Paintenance Melbourne presents 13 painting problems and how to fix them. Thinking of painting your house? What seems simple and easy on the surface often hides unforeseen pitfalls. There are plenty of potential problems in store for the home painter, problems you could avoid. Here's 13 of the most common painting problems and how to fix them. Painting problem 1, blistering. Solutions: avoid painting during high humidity or high dew point. Allow adequate drying time before reapplying paint. If the paint blisters don't go down to the substrate, remove blisters by scraping and sanding and repaint with a quality acrylic interior paint. If blisters go down to the substrate, then remove the source of moisture. Remove blisters by scraping and sanding and remember to prime before applying the top coat. Painting problem 2, cracking. Solutions: remove existing coatings and all loose flaking paint with a scraper or wire brush. Sand the surface and feather the edges. Do not repaint until the surface is completely dry. Use good quality paint and ensure it is thoroughly stirred. If flaking occurs in multiple layers of paint, the use of a filler may be necessary. Prime bare wood areas before repainting. Use a top quality primer and top coat to prevent the problem. Painting problem 3, foaming. Solutions: use high quality paints. These are formulated so the bubbles break while the paint is still wet, allowing for good flow and appearance. Avoid excessive rolling or brushing of the paint or using paint more than a year old. Apply gloss and semi-gloss paints with a short nap roller and apply an appropriate sealer or primer before using such paint. Problem areas should be sanded before repainting. Painting problem 4, framing. Solutions: ensure adequate coverage is achieved across the entire wall. Maintain a wet edge when painting by applying paint toward the unpainted area and then back into the just painted surface. Work in smaller sections of the room to maintain a wet edge and ensure spread rates between brushes and rollers are similar. With tinted paints, be sure to use the correct colorant base combinations. Factory colours as well as in-store tints should be thoroughly shaken at time of sale and the paint should be stirred well prior to use. Painting problem 5, mildew. Solutions: apply a few drops of household bleach to the area to test for mildew. If it is bleached away, the discoloured area is most likely mildew. Remove all mildew from the surface by scrubbing with a diluted household bleach solution, 1 part bleach, 3 parts water, while wearing rubber gloves and eye protection. Rinse thoroughly. To protect against mildew, use a top quality acrylic paint and clean when necessary with bleach detergent solution. Consider installing an exhaust fan in high moisture areas. Painting problem 6, mud cracking. Solutions: remove the cracked paintwork by scraping and sanding. Prime and repaint using a top quality acrylic paint. Mud cracked areas can also be repaired by sanding the surface smooth before repainting with a top quality acrylic paint. This type of paint is likely to prevent recurrence of mud cracking because it is relatively more flexible than alkyd paint, oil-based paint, and ordinary acrylic paint. Painting problem 7, pore hiding. Solutions: if the substrate is significantly darker or is a patterned wallpaper, it should be primed before applying a top coat. Always use premium quality paint for better hiding and flow. Using quality tools is also important as well as the recommended roller nap if using a roller. Follow manufacturer's recommendation on spread rate. If using tinted paint, use the correct tinting base. Where a low hiding organic colour must be used, apply a primer first. Painting problem 8, pore scrub resistance. Solutions: areas that require frequent cleaning should be painted with a highly washable premium quality paint that is specially formulated to provide scrub resistance. High traffic areas may require a low sheen, semi-gloss or gloss paint rather than a flat paint because the additional gloss is less porous and provides improved scrub resistance. Allow adequate dry time as scrub resistance will not fully develop until the paint is thoroughly cured. Typically, this will be 1 week. Try washing the painted surface with the least abrasive material and mildest detergent first. Painting problem 9. Poor sheen uniformity. Solutions. New substrates should always be primed and sealed before applying the top coat to ensure a uniformly porous surface. Make sure to apply paint from wet to dry to prevent lapping. Without the use of a primer or sealer, you'll need an additional coat of paint to even out any sheen irregularities. Painting problem 10. Poor stain resistance. Solutions. High quality acrylic paints contain more binder, which helps prevent stains from penetrating the painted surface. Priming new surfaces provides maximum film thickness of a premium top coat with very good stain removability. Priming new surfaces also reduces the porosity of the substrate. The correct film thickness in the top coat will maximize stain resistance. Painting problem 11. Roller marks. Stipple. Solutions. Use the proper roller cover. Avoid too long a nap for the paint and the substrate. Use a quality roller to ensure adequate film thickness and uniformity. High quality paints tend to roll on more evenly due to their higher solids content and leveling properties. Pre-dampened roller covers used with acrylic paint. Shake out excess water. Don't let paint build up at roller ends. Begin rolling at a corner near the ceiling and work down the wall in 3-foot square sections. Spread the paint in a zigzag M or W pattern, beginning with an upward stroke to minimize spatter. Then, without lifting the roller from the surface, fill in the zigzag pattern with even parallel strokes. Painting problem 12. Sagging. Solutions. If the paint is still wet, immediately brush out or re-roll to redistribute the excess evenly. If your paint is already dried, sand and reapply a new coat of top quality paint. Avoid painting in cool or humid conditions. Do not thin the paint and sand glossy surfaces. Always apply paint according to recommended spread rate and avoid a thick paint layer. 2 coats of paint at the recommended spread rate are better than 1 heavy coat, which can also lead to sagging. Painting problem 13. Yellowing. Solutions. Top quality acrylic paints do not tend to yellow, nor does non-yellowing varnish. Where possible, choose a top quality water-based paint and/or a non-yellowing varnish. Acrylic paints do not tend to yellow as much as solvent-based paints and are the only sure way to protect against premature yellowing. We hope that you enjoyed these painting tips. To read the full blog post, go to www.paintenancemelbourne.com.au.